Hi everybody and welcome to Pyxis YouTube channel. We're going to talk about the new dextools.com product launched by Pyxis. Really awesome. It is used for multiple cryptocurrencies and communities on the Binance Smart Chain. Let's go check it out. We're going to bring that up and there we are. Look at it. It looks awesome. You can see at the top there we've got the Pyxis.network premium staking platform. That's the particular token that's launched this, but it is cross project usage, and so you can just put it in your project and have a look at your price chart. It's going to have heaps of new features added onto it over time. Very cool. It's just launched. You can see that the sponsored BSC project, so if you want to get your project on here, you can get the sponsor there. You just hit the link. I'm going to leave this link to this dexchart.com in the video description, and you can check that out for yourself. So sponsored BSC project, you want to get on there, you can get yourself cross promoted across communities on the Binance Smart Chain. Very cool. Now you can actually connect your wallet to the top right, and you can also see the token that you're wanting to look at here. So we're just going to look at the PYX token, which is the native token for the Pyxis network, and you can see it's got the price there. It's got the change in price over the last 24 hours. It's got a little heart there you can make as your favorite. So if it's pink, then it is your favorite, and you can unfavorite that, but it's white, so you can actually toggle it on. It's very neat, and that will show up on your favorites on the left here. So you can click on the favorites here and you can see that it's here, and you can have a whole ton of these different tablets on here to show you different favorites. So we're going to look at that. Now let's have a look at some of the metrics that we've got. We've got the website, the token contract, buy on PancakeSwap. Very nice, easy to use features there. We've also got the exchange, which whether it's on Pancake or Pancake version 2, liquidity, and the pair that you're looking at. So here's wrap BNB versus PYX. Very nice, and you can see the chart there. We're on a 4 hour. We've also got all the indicators in the chart. Very nice. It's what we basically standard expect. So it's great to see that. We can go to the daily, for example, on this one. It will update, and it's a pretty neat feature. So we're going to wait for that. Look at that. So PYX been around for a little while, and you can see it's actually progressing pretty well. You can check out your own project on there, of course. You can copy in here into the address. You can actually search by name or contract address. Now there are a lot of names, so probably contract address is probably better to use on that, but a very cool feature. Now obviously for PYX it shows you the circulating supply, circulating market cap. It's got the total supply, total market cap, 24-hour volume, 24-hour trading count as well. It's got the total transactions, unique sender addresses, unique receiver addresses. So it gives you all that detail that you might have to go onto the Etherscan to look at. It's got the version 1 liquidity, version 2 liquidity. Very nice there, all that information. And of course it's below it's got the sponsored price rank. Now this is the first version, very exciting. Once again, you can get your own sponsored project on there just by hitting the link below, clicking on sponsor vid, and that you'll be able to contact the Pyxis team for development and getting yourself on there. Now this is cross promotional to cross cryptos, very cool indeed, and it's going to have lots of new features. Now obviously you can do camera, you can expand the actual full screen, you can change chart properties, got all those features. And let's have a quick look for another project. So we're going to look for WiseB, which is just recently launched, and we're going to check that out on here as well. So there we are, it's come up WiseB, and we're going to click on that. It will update to the WiseB token, and we're going to have a look there. That's obviously got locked liquidity, interesting project. You can see the price chart there. Obviously it launched just the day before the market decided to have a major pullback, but it's starting to come back now, so very cool indeed. You can see that's on the hourly. If we change it to hour, you can see the hourly, and very nice. And if you want to add an indicator, you can add, say, let's say you could add average price. You could put that in there. You could add Bollinger Bands, which are very popular. You can see those all in. You can of course change all those features and make the a lot more brighter and bigger, but very cool. You've got Bollinger Bands. You can see the price going on there. Very nice. And what else have we got? So we've got all the circulating supply, all the details, relevant details down there as well for this WiseB pair as well. So very cool. We can go to the favorites now, and you can see we've got the favorite there. We haven't clicked favorite on this one. Let's go click the oh, we've actually got the heart there, so let's go back there and put this defaults back at the PYX, but you can add that token in. So let's go there. We've got wide at the moment. Let's make it a favorite. So if you've got a number of tokens that you like to watch, you can do that. Go to click the favorites, and it should add that on. Let's have a look here. So we might do that one more time and add that in. Wait till that updates, and we're going to toggle it off, toggle it on. Very cool. And we'll go to hearts, and there we are. It's got the Wise token there added on, so very nice. Just that's how you add. You can add a whole ton of them on. You can just wake up in the morning, have this as a favorite on your toolbar, and you can see that. So very cool. Also, you can contact the Telegram group here for text charts, and very nice. So that's dexsharks.com. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Very cool innovation. This is version 1, only going to get better cross communities and very good for watching your favorite BSC tokens. Awesome chart indeed. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Let's go back to the homepage, and it will always default back to the PYX, but you can check out other tokens that you've got as well. Just going to favorites. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the bell for the notifications, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.